This is the most beautiful place of the Himachal Pradesh, located in a district Kangra in geology. And this is the most beautiful evening view, and this is the third 360-degree view of the, and this is the road, single bay road. This leads to the Gharna. This is the popular village, and here you can see the view from a hilltop, and a very beautiful place and a very charming. And this is the small village located in. Hope you enjoy this video. This is just to show you the natural beauty, natural things, and this is the evening view. So if you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and like this video and comment about this video. Okay, thank you.